Hello, welcome back to Gomi's Integrated Farm YouTube channel. Kindly stick to the channel for future upload. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit on the notification bell so that you'll be updated when we upload new videos. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you for your support. We appreciate you being part of GIF growth.
So this whole area is being marked out for our greenhouse. We have plans to build a greenhouse on this area. The size of the greenhouse will be 15 feet by 20 feet. "15 feet by 20 feet. That will be the size of the greenhouse. This is the area that we sprayed a couple of weeks ago. You can see all the weeds are dead. Most of the weeds are dead. So watch out for the greenhouse project in few weeks time.